In its advisory, the Delhi Traffic Police has said, traffic will be affected on Siraspur Road from August 19, 2025 to August 23, 2025 due to emergency maintenance of Lzing number 10 SPL, Hook BHD. In an advisory, the Delhi Traffic Police has announced the closure of one lane at the Samapur Badli underpass on main Shahbad Bawana Road. The closure has come in the wake of repair and maintenance work being carried out by the Public Works Department PWD until September 2. The development is likely to affect the traffic. According to official information, one lane will be closed while the other lane will remain operational, facilitating vehicular movement from Sanjay Gandhi Transport Nagar towards Shahbad Dairy. While one of the lanes will allow traffic to pass, the possibility of congestion on the route is highly likely. Delhi Traffic Police Advisory. In its advisory, the Delhi Traffic Police has said, traffic will be affected on Siraspur Road from August 19, 2025 to August 23, 2025 due to emergency maintenance of Lzing number 10 SPL, Hook BHD. One lane will remain open from Sanjay Gandhi Transport Nagar to Shahbad Dairy, the advisory added. Commuters asked to take alternate route. The commuters are recommended to take alternate routes. The advisory asks people to take public transport to minimize the traffic pressure on the route. Commuters who travel towards ISBT, airport, and railway station are specially cautioned to keep extra time to avoid delays. Since the route is likely to remain congested until the closure is lifted, commuters are also requested to remain patient and follow traffic rules and cooperate with the personnel deployed to ensure seamless travel. Commuters can receive real-time updates by connecting with the Delhi Traffic Police through their official website, social media platforms, and WhatsApp helpline. Support is also accessible through designated helpline numbers. Officials have stressed the importance of cooperation between drivers and enforcement agencies to effectively manage traffic during the ongoing hour.